Imagine standing on the surface of Saturn. Picture yourself in a spacesuit gazing at the vast expanse of this gas giant. You're surrounded by swirling clouds and breathtaking rings. The colors and patterns are unlike anything you've ever seen. Sounds impossible, right? Saturn doesn't have a solid surface like Earth. It's a swirling mass of gases and liquids. It's a gas giant. However, let's pretend you could survive there, but only for 5 seconds. Just enough time to take in the surreal beauty. Could you do it? Surprisingly, yes. For those brief moments, you could withstand the extreme conditions. You could endure those fleeting moments on this magnificent yet deadly planet. The experience would be both awe-inspiring and terrifying. But beyond that, Saturn becomes a death trap. The crushing pressure and toxic atmosphere would make survival impossible. So, while a 5-second adventure on Saturn is a thrilling thought, it's a reminder of the planet's deadly nature. Saturn is a breathtaking giant, a planet that stands out in the vast expanse of our solar system. Its sheer size and presence are awe-inspiring, capturing the imagination of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Its rings, made of ice and rock, are a celestial marvel. These rings are not just beautiful, they are a complex and dynamic system that has fascinated scientists for centuries. Each ring particle orbits Saturn in a delicate balance, creating a mesmerizing dance in space. They stretch thousands of miles wide, yet are remarkably thin. Despite their vast expanse, the rings are only about 30 feet thick in most places, making their structure even more intriguing. This thinness adds to their ethereal beauty, as they appear almost like a delicate halo around the planet. Saturn's beauty is also evident in its storms. These storms are not just weather phenomena, they are massive, powerful events that can last for months or even years. The energy and scale of these storms are unlike anything we experience on Earth. These swirling masses of gas dwarf Earth in size. Some of Saturn's storms are so large that they could easily engulf our entire planet. The sheer power and magnitude of these storms are a testament to the dynamic nature of Saturn's atmosphere. The colors and patterns of these storms make Saturn a true jewel of our solar system. The vibrant hues and intricate designs created by the storms add to the planet's allure, making it a captivating subject of study and admiration. Now, back to our 5-second survival mission. You'd need a special suit, of course, to withstand the extreme environment. This suit would protect you from the initial shock of Saturn's atmosphere. It would regulate your temperature and provide breathable air. For those first 5 seconds, you'd be safe within your technological cocoon, witnessing the awe-inspiring beauty of Saturn. Section 4. Gravity's gentle embrace, at first. One might think Saturn's gravity would crush you instantly. Interestingly, that's not the case. While Saturn's gravity is much stronger than Earth's, it wouldn't be immediately lethal. You wouldn't feel significantly heavier in those first few seconds. The real danger lies in the prolonged exposure to its gravitational pull. Section 5. The unforgiving giant. Saturn, the 6th planet from the Sun, is a mesmerizing spectacle with its iconic rings and swirling storms. But don't let its beauty fool you. Here's where things get dangerous. Saturn is not just a giant, it's an unforgiving behemoth that harbors some of the most extreme conditions in our solar system. After your initial 5 seconds of safety, Saturn's true nature reveals itself. The planet's atmosphere is a chaotic maelstrom of violent storms and relentless winds. Imagine winds whipping past you at hundreds of miles per hour. These aren't just breezes. They're powerful gales that can reach speeds of over 1,100 miles per hour. These winds would toss you around like a rag doll, making it impossible to maintain any sense of stability. Then there's the temperature. Saturn's atmosphere is freezing, far colder than anything experienced on Earth. Temperatures can plummet to minus 290 degrees Fahrenheit, making it an icy hellscape. The intense atmospheric pressure would feel like tons of weight crushing you from all sides. This pressure is so immense that it would compress you into a tiny, unrecognizable form. Survival beyond those initial seconds is impossible. The combination of extreme winds, freezing temperatures, and crushing pressure makes Saturn an inhospitable giant, a true testament to the harsh realities of space.